In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the traffic source of a specific page in Google Analytics 4. If you're managing a website and want to better understand where your visitors are coming from, this guide is for you. We'll be walking through each step in detail, making it simple for you to access this valuable data without any hassle. So let's get started. First off, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. If you're regularly using Google services, this process should be familiar to you. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply select the account you use for your website's Google Analytics. Enter your password when prompted. Be sure to double check for accuracy. Upon doing so, click Next to proceed into your Google account. Now that you're logged in, locate the small grid icon that's composed of 9 dots in the top right corner. This is your gateway to Google Apps. Click on it and among the various icons, find Google Analytics. Once you spot it, click to open. With Google Analytics open, the next step is to navigate to the Reports section. You'll usually find this option in the dashboard area. Click here to access detailed insights into your web traffic. Following this, you'll want to visit the Reports snapshot. This is your next stop for capturing an instant overview of your site's data. In the report snapshot, a whole array of information about your website's traffic will be displayed. This is the hub where you can see an in-depth overview of all the coming and going on your site. Among this overview, you'll come across data related to traffic sources, user demographics, and more. This allows you to grasp a comprehensive view of who's visiting your pages and where they're coming from. As you work through this, it's crucial to explore the various sections this interface offers. Each little insight can equip you with the tools needed to optimize your site's performance effectively. Whether it's identifying top sources or investigating less explored corners of your audience's journey, this tool can make a vast difference in strategic planning. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to accessing and understanding the traffic sources for your specific pages in Google Analytics 4. By following these instructions, you'll be piecing together a clearer picture of your website's performance and user interactions. With consistent analysis, these insights can help you refine your strategies and enhance your site's effectiveness. Until next time, happy analyzing and may your website's journey be a successful one.